Are you in need of expert guidance for your fuel station? Look no further. Our team of skilled engineers and consultants are here to assist you every step of the way. We specialize in providing comprehensive engineering consultations, thorough fuel station inspections, and detailed reports. By using our advanced 3D scanning technology, captures precise measurements and detailed imagery of fuel station buildings. Using this data, we generate comprehensive reports that offer a thorough analysis of the station's structural integrity, maintenance requirements, and potential risks.